Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Thryss. I'm happy to have you. I hope you will stick around and give me a sub and a few watches and thummies and do all the things. If you are a returning stitchy, then welcome back. So it is November 1st and we know what that means. It is the official release of Full Spectrum's subscription box for the month of November. If you are new, I am going to tell you all the details. I will answer all of your questions, most likely. This won't be a long video. In a minute, I am going to give you guys a sneak peek of the yarn, but don't worry if you don't want to see it, if you want to be surprised, I give you a warning that I'm going to show it, and then I tell you when I put it down so you can look back. Okay, so I'm going to give you all the details first, and then I will show you the yarn. What my sub boxes are, it is a 1 hank of hand-dyed yarn with stitch markers, handmade stitch markers made by Dee from Dee's Creative Hands, for $25, all 50 states, and shipping is included in that. If you are outside of the US, I'm happy to ship it to you. You will just have to cover the charge of shipping. And then 2 hanks of hand-dyed stitch markers made by Dee, shipping included, is $45. If you want more than that, people often order more than that, which is lovely. It is just $20 per hank after that. So say you want 3 hanks total, it's $45 plus 20, $65. So I have PayPal, Cashapp, and Zelle, which will be in the description box below. And all you have to do, I don't need an email unless you just feel like it. All you have to do is, in every one of those, there is a place to write a note. A lot of people think there's not one in Cashapp. There is. It is right by where you're putting the sender's name. It will say, like, what's this for? And that's where you can put this information. All I need you to do is put your name, address, and the weight that you want. So I have fingerling weight at 437 yards per hank. I have DK weight at 231 yards per hank. And I have worsted weight at 189 yards per hank. This is 100% superwash, extra fine superwash merino. It's 19.5 microns, so it's very nice, very soft. And let's see, yeah. Okay, sorry, I was making sure that that was all the information. Okay, yeah, I think that's all the payment information. Oh, so the boxes will remain open for purchase through the 8th. However, if you need more time, just shoot me an email and let me know. That is not a problem if you just let me know. And then I ship out between the 15th and 20th. I am trying to start moving that date closer, like before the 15th. I just don't want to say that I'm going to do that and then not be able to follow through. So 15th to the 20th, but I'm trying to start pushing that date between the 12th and the 15th. One of these days I will have that as my official shipping dates to get them out to you guys sooner. Okay, so the name of this colorway is, I keep forgetting the word. It is, oh my gosh. Oh, my brain today. It's Bagoday's Victorian era. This is the colorway that I special created for Crystal over at Bagoday for a mystery box that I did for her several months back. And I decided that since last month I kind of did sort of a fall vibe thing for the month of October, I still needed something that would kind of fit for November, and this just felt It felt good. It felt right. So this is the colorway that we are going with. oops, Bagoday's Victorian era. And Crystal is the one who named this yarn. I asked her to name it, and that is the name she came up with, Victorian era. Okay, so this is the colorway. I'm not going to say it out loud. If you are visually impaired, you are welcome to email me and I will describe the colors to you. This is the ties, so that isn't like a white spot, that's the ties. I am going to put this one back in the pot and touch it up some. But yeah, it is absolutely lovely. It is so pretty. I really, really enjoy this colorway a lot. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay. I am not holding it up anymore so you can look back. So yeah, that is I think that's everything. I showed you the yarn, the dates, the pay. You guys have to excuse my brain if you are new. I have a close head injury and I have problems with brain stuff. Yeah, I do believe that is everything. So, yeah, okay, yeah, that's everything. I'm so sorry. All right, so I hope you guys will enjoy this colorway. I want to just reiterate something I said in last month's video. It came to my attention that a lot of people were not ordering because everybody knows that I've been dealing, going through chemo and had some, stuff going on, and they didn't want to overwhelm me. I want to let you know I'm getting stronger every day, and I cut out the things I couldn't handle, like I couldn't handle taking more custom orders and stuff. So the subscription boxes are what I can handle doing right now, and I can absolutely handle it. So please don't hold back. This is the way I make my living. So I promise you I'm good. If I couldn't do it, I wouldn't. I'm stronger than I was last month. So yeah, if you want to give it a try, I would absolutely love to have you in whatever, quantities you want or whatever. So and if not, I totally understand it. I know times are really hard. Times are really hard financially right now for a lot of people, and we're coming up on the holidays, but this would make a good holiday gift. I'm just saying, whether to yourself or another yarny friend. But okay, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys later. Bye.